Hi guys, welcome to Simplified Tech and Programming. So today we will check how we can import CSV file into MySQL database. So we got often requirement where we are getting one CSV file and we want to import into your database, or you want to visualize that CSV file data from the database so that like we can compare the data sets, or we can find the particular patterns in that CSV file, or we can perform a maximum, minimum, that kind of operations. So today we are going to check how we can import the CSV file into data without creating any manual operation into database by using MySQL Workbench. Okay, so this is the basic CSV file of employee database where we have basic employee information. So we will use this in order to import this data into database. So let's go to your favorite browser. Okay, in Google type sample employee CSV file. Okay, so we are getting one first link where we got the employee CSV with these values. So click on this first link. Yeah, so we are into GitHub, and this is the sample CSV. This is employee.csv. So we will download this CSV and we will try to import this. So go to raw. Okay, so this is the CSV comma separated file where like we have this header information as a column headers, and these are values. So right click and click save as, and like you can save anywhere into your machine. CSV file is downloaded. So now open our SQL Workbench. Okay, so this is the MySQL Workbench, and we need to create one sample database. So create here, this is the option to create the database, create new schema and connected server. So click on this. Let's say MySQL DB and say apply. So our MySQL DB is created. So now let's start importing this. Open this database, go to tables, and we want to import database as into the table. Okay, so right click on table. So here you can see option table data import wizard. So click on this table data import wizard and provide the file path here. Okay, so we have like stored into this directory. So this is estudy like myemployee.csv. Then it is creating it is asking for create new table, so it is picking the file name also. So we don't have to create a new table also, so it will automatically pick up it. Okay, so now encoding is UTF-8. Now these columns he read from like CSV file. Okay, so we can change the data types also. Okay, so this is okay, so here you can add a comma separated. Okay, say next, okay, finish performance task, say next, finish. It is saying like 49 records are imported. Okay, so now go to refresh this. So go to tables. Yeah, you can see this employee table is created. Let's verify it. Click on this icon. This is a table icon. So you will see our data is imported successfully without creating anything manually. Okay, so we haven't created these columns, we haven't created this table, but our CSV data, as simple as we have seen from the .csv file. So this is the CSV file. So same data is imported into SQL. So now how we can find the patterns, or how we can compare this. So let's say sample query. Okay, so what we are doing, so from each department, so we are finding the highest salary for the particular employees. Okay, so click here. So what is the highest salary? So 8,200 is highest salary in department 50, department number 50. So like this, in each department we are getting this highest salary. So like this, we can perform the operations on any data that is like available into CSV, so that we can import into database and we can find the particular filters. Okay, so this way we can import the CSV data into database. Thanks a lot for watching.